going to do color changing activity with purple cabbage. Have purple cabbage. Now we are going to boil the purple cabbage in this pan. Now I am going to put this purple cabbage in this boiling water.
உன் தண்ணி கலர் மாறிடுச்சா காமி? ஆஃப் பண்ணு ஃபர்ஸ்ட்.
Okay, now we took off the boiling bowl. Now we are going to blend it. See, the water colors changed. Now we are going to blend it. I have the purple juice here. We are going to pour the purple juice in each of the bowl. Have some vinegar here and some lemon and
washing soap,
baking soda, and a lemon squeezer and water. Okay. I'm going to pour the purple juice into every bowl equally. Okay. With this squeezer, I'm going to squeeze this lemon in. When I mix these things, the color will change. That's what now we are going to see. See, did you see the color changes? Did you see the color changes? And now we will put the vinegar now. In the second bowl, I'm going to put the vinegar. Put some light drops. Pour. Very 2 to 3 drops. And then now color is not changed fully. Okay. Now I poured it. See. Colors changed now again. The third one I'm going to put baking soda.
You need to mix it, Putta.
Now I will mix it. Now we are going to mix it. See these colors. Now we are going to paint it. Paint this. It's already started to paint. Bye bye. We'll see you in the next video with more